How to fix Instagram Reels sound missing issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Instagram Reels sound missing issue. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. So let's jump right in. First step, what you'll need to do is open up your Instagram app on your phone and find the reels that is supposedly muted. So if you're on a reel and it's muted, tap on the screen once, and after you tap on the screen once, it should start with the music icon, and that will basically start playing the music for you. If it doesn't, what you'll need to do is you will need to restart your app. So remove it from the background and then restart the app and check if the reel still does not have any sound. If it doesn't, we'll first head over to our Instagram, go to our profile icon at the bottom right, then on the top right we'll head over to three lines, and after you're here you'll need to scroll down. So scroll down till you find an option that says data uses and media quality. Head over there, and from here make sure the data saver option is turned off. If it is turned on, tap on it to turn it off. After you've done that, your problem should be fixed. If it still does not fix the problem, you'll need to update your app to the latest version. So head over to your Google Play Store, search for the app, that is Instagram, and after you find it, if you see an update available, tap on update and update the app. And doing that will fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.